Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and in this video I'm going to be telling you what Framer is. So if you have heard about Framer, you're looking around to see if Framer is best for you, I'm going to tell you what it is and why you might consider using it. In short, Framer is a design and prototyping tool which allows you to create interactive websites without writing code. So it's like a really great and strong drag and drop editor. So I can move things around, like so. I can delete elements, like so. I can also use Framer's pre-created elements, like their pre-created pages, sections, navigation, and menus, to quickly prototype and build websites. I can also use their created elements, so icons, countdowns, forms, interactive components, and social components to make the website I want. You can quickly create mobile responsive sites with their smart breakpoints, and you can see it all here on the visual design interface. So what you see is what gets published. For prototyping and building things which are linked and connected, it isn't as you see on Figma. So if I connect two screens, they are truly connected. So when I post it live to the internet and put my website live, these buttons will really work, which is fantastic. So no code involved. If I click on this button and I want to link it to the About page, I can simply click About, no code. And when I preview this, scroll down to this button and click Learn More, and I expect it to go to the About page, it goes to the About page. And that is what makes Framer so strong, because you can really quickly connect things up. And then finally, you can deploy things. You can publish your site by hitting publish or linking it to your own domain. You can open your website, see it live on the internet, and see it fully functioning, which means the links work, the forms will send feedback to wherever you want them to. You can click on all the pages, you can copy the URL and share it with whoever you want. Framer is super easy to use, even if you have no code experience, but if you do want to incorporate code, you can. From the Assets panel, you can always add code snippets, and you can add code files and make things a little bit more custom if you want to do so. Framer also integrates with tools like Photoshop and Figma, and it allows you to import projects and allows you to import designs so you can design and build much quicker. There's also loads of other things which will allow you to make Framer your own, including the CMS to allow you to have a fully fledged blog or portfolio. You can also link to other plugins which people have made, like Airtable, Google Sheets, and HubSpot. Framer is constantly growing, which means it's constantly evolving. So while you might not find things like e-commerce and membership platforms built natively into the platform, people are creating plugins, and I wouldn't be surprised if we saw Framer bring out an e-commerce platform soon in the future. So keep an eye out for Framer, have a go at it, use their free platform, and see if it's something you'd like to use. And if you're after a pro platform or pro subscription, you can get 25% off in the link in our description. Click on that, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye!